Welcome to the students module. In this section, you will know about how to manage the student details, like adding a new student, modifying the existing student details, and accessing the student payment details. And moreover, you will also know about how to filter the students based on student ID, student name, mobile number, and class details, and fee due details. Now, let's see how to add the students into the application. There are two ways to add the students. The first one is adding a single student, and second one is adding multiple students at a time. Firstly, let's start with how to add a single student. To add a single student, click on Add Student button and enter all the required fields. Enter the student ID. The student ID must be unique for every student. This is the guardian number to which the SMS will be received. When, let's say, if a student made any payment, then this number will receive an SMS detailing about the payment details. And in another case also, if the student is absent, in that case also, this mobile number will get an SMS regarding the absent details. And select the class details also. And you should provide the tuition fee while entering the student details itself only. Here, date of leaving, remarks, and upload photo are not mandatory. After entering the all required details, you can click on save. This saves the data successfully. See, the student ID STU0001 is reflected in the students table. Now, let's see how to add multiple students at a time. For that, click on the upload button and download the sample template and open the file. This is the sample template. By default, it contains one student record. So this lets you know what are the details you should add and how to add and the order you should follow. Let's say if you want to upload 20 students details, you should enter all the students details one by one in the same order as shown here. So let's say I have sample template. See, this is the sample template I prepared earlier. So here I listed all the 20 student details, and the student ID here must be unique and should not match with any other student. And one more important thing is that the class details. The class details like class name and section name, the whatever the values you entered here should exactly match with the same values that you configured in configurations module. Say here I have grade 2 and section 1 for the first row. So if you see here the grade 2 and the section 1, so the name should match with each other. To upload the Excel file, upload button and upload that prepared Excel file here. So if you see clearly, all the 20 student records are inserted in the table. To view a particular student details, click on the View button. This will show you complete student details of that particular student ID. Similarly, you can also edit the one single student details also. For that, click on Edit icon and click Edit. Here, you can edit the complete student details other than the student ID. And you can change his first name and last name details or else date of birth or else guardian details, and also you can change the section details. And whenever you change anything in this section, you should mandatorily save the details. So let's say I'm changing here the first name and clicking the save button. So this successfully updates that first name from Vamsi to Sai. If you don't click save button, our new details don't get reflected here. Similarly, the next one is delete option. If you click on delete, that particular student will get deleted permanently from the students list. Make sure you click this delete option only when you added a wrong student into the students list, or else you entered the wrong student details in the Excel and uploaded the file through bulk upload only. Otherwise, don't use this delete option. And the next one is payments. If you can directly access a particular student payment details directly from the students module itself. For that, click on payments icon. So this opens the complete payments history of the students. You can view his tuition fee details and other fee details. And I will let you know about these details in the payments module clearly. One important point to mention here is status in the edit option. By default, every student will have status as active, and also there are two other options available. They are inactive and delete. Let's know when to use each of them. Use inactive only when the student is dropped out or discontinued from the institute during the middle of the academic year. And the second one is delete. Use delete only when you enter some wrong student details which are completely not belongs to your institute. Otherwise, don't use delete. Now let's see how to change the status from active to inactive and active to delete for the two students. Firstly, I'm changing the student status from active to inactive for the student ID STU1. After changing the status and when you try to save the details, it will ask you to enter the date of leaving, and make sure you enter the remarks, means the reason the student is left or the reason you are changing the status from the active to inactive, so that when you again open the student ID details, you will know the reason for changing the status from active to inactive. As for now, I'm giving the reason as discontinued. And after saving the details, you can see that that particular student ID got disappeared from the students list. Similarly, if you change the status from active to delete also, the same will happen. It will again ask you to enter the date of leaving, and make sure you enter the remarks surely. In the same case also, the student STU2 also got disappeared from the student list. When you change the status from active to inactive or active to delete, both students will get disappeared from the student table, and you can only see them only in history also. History. Now let's see how to filter the students based on details like student ID, first name, mobile number, and class details. Let's say I'm searching for the student ID STU20. You can also search with mobile number. Similarly, you can also filter the students based on their class. Here I'm selecting the grade 1. It gives the students belongs to the grade 1. And based on the filters, you can also download the students by clicking the download button. So here I applied the filter as grade 1 and clicking the download button, so that it downloads the Excel file containing the all the students details who are belongs to the grade 1. And if you open that Excel file, it will look like, so this is the file that downloaded. This file contains the details of the students belongs to the grade 1 and section 1. In the same manner, you can select the different class and download that particular students belongs to that particular class. Similarly, you can also filter the other class students also, and you can specify their section also here. See, this filters only the students belongs to the class grade 2 and section 1, and you can download these particular student details by clicking the download button. And you can also filter the students based on their fee due details. Let's say if I want to filter the students whose payment is still in due, I can select a fee due here. And if the students who are paid their tuition fee completely can be listed by selecting the no due option. Similarly, marked as no due, it means the students whose tuition fees was written off, they can be listed here by selecting the marked as node u. So these are the details we have discussed so far about the students, like adding the new students, modifying the existing student details, and how to change the status, and how to filter the students based on their details, etc. So thank you.